our underbar cups and bottles holder. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 12 inches, a depth of 22.5 inches, and height with splash, 33 inches tall. Divided will be 4 different quadrants. Each quadrant will hold your mugs, cups, bottles, and much more. Each one will measure 12 inches in length, 5.5 inches in depth, and a height of 5 inches. Each quadrant is split into 4 sections, the bottom being the lowest and the top the highest. So whether if it's cups, mugs, or anything else that's stackable, each quadrant is from the lowest to the highest. Coming to the top left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.